Napay 10 minutes para mag-decide si Clark.
Dito makayo. Duwat masilahan. Si tinggal dito.
With this juice, guys, gipugos ko sa sana. Napugos or ko ani Grace. Pila na lang ka minutes, lahi na akong apelido. So, tanaw natin ako na ba ni magbahay bata. Shit, 8 minutes na lang. Sure na ba dyan eh? Ayaw pa na lang.
Ay si pabongbuang kay basta tinudo na Clarissa. Huwag gipugos unsa?
Na?
Okay, gitiuran na. Basta buot ko na lang may legal capacity to contract and then to marriage in Today we are here to celebrate love. Clarice, we love mo. We come together to witness and proclaim the joining together of these two persons in marriage based on love. Marriage is a commitment. Nabinyo naman kung kaya kong income sa pilit. Or nabinyo ko ni Clarice kay guwapa. Saan hindi na magwapas Clarice? Or nabinyo ko Clarice kay sexy pa. This is a commitment. And success does not depend on feelings. Does not depend on feelings, circumstances, or moods, but on two people who are loyal to each other. And so the vows will talk on their wedding day. May Clarissa, do you take pilit? Tanawa ko. Do you take pilit here? Present? Tanawa sa mga tubangan? Mga nas pilit ka? As your lawful husband, according to the provisions of the family code, do you give yourself to Philip as his wife? Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes.
Ikaw na kung Philip. Tanawa sa Clarissa. Klaruhay. Do you take Clarissa here present ka naman sa mga tubangan? Ano na pag-una-una like Clarissa? As your lawful wife, according to the provisions of the family code and the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. Do you give yourself to Clarissa as her husband? Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes.
Clarissa,
Clarissa,
wear this ring
wear this ring
as a sign of my love,
as a sign of
loyalty,
loyalty
and fidelity
and fidelity
as your lawful husband.
as your lawful husband.
Ito ba, Clarissa? And I accept.
And I accept.
Tao. Na. Philip, wear this ring
Wear this ring
as a sign of my love,
as a sign of my love,
loyalty,
loyalty,
and fidelity
and fidelity
as your lawful wife.
as your lawful wife.
I accept.
Accept
Pursuant to the provisions of the law
pursuant to the provisions
of the Republic of the Philippines,
of the Republic of the Philippines,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
For better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
until death do us part.
until death do us part.
Matazon drama ay mata. And by virtue of the powers vested in me as the municipal mayor of this municipality, I hereby declare you as husband and wife. Congratulations. Kaka mo mga witness. 1, 2, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Solution sa kanya. Ibaw ka, agi mong bana, ang ka-feeling ka so nag-kiss ni mo, ikaw sige kakatawa. Okay, you can now sign your...
Hi, Tabi Boy. Tabi Boy. So what can you say, Montburn? Sa wedding of the year.
Good luck. Good luck, we feel.
Ikaw, Grace. Ikaw, Grace. Ano sa'yo masulti na mo sa wedding of the year?
Congrats and good luck. Good luck.
Good luck ni Clar.
Good luck sa dreams.
Ikaw, Joy. Wala na kayo, no comment. Ikaw, Tay. Ang sa may masulti na mo sa akong wedding.
Welcome to the club.
No comment? Wala man lang kay advice dera or koan speech? Ang sa ko na yung advice?
Advice? Huwag kami kampi.
Good luck na yung Phil.
Sana all. Good luck, we feel.
Ikaw, Yanita, sa may masulti ni mo.
Pag sinabda na ilamang mo.
Wow, wala pa si Anita kay.
Hindi, pero pag nagsikiin ko lang. Tildit.
Wala pa si Anita kay serious.
Ahad dyan no, tabang ni Garissa, di na dyan niya. Iya, kay duha na dyan. Mag-inapit na dyan. Dapat ilang ni Jasmine. Ilang mo dyan Samot na napito. Takot na lang dyan mga bata ka dyan. Marisa pa yung ako na nung niya kuya.
Umilag man siya. Umilag man doon si Clark.
Iya.
Ako ba dyan anak ni mo? Anong si Phil na
Yung labanan. Oo, magkadun na. Kita mo ba rin dyan pa ko yun. Ginutan ko yun. Laban sa umaga. Nanira lang.
Just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.